You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, WNG689, serving Porter Township, Valparaiso, Rensselaer, and Hebron. The current time is 1:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For this afternoon and tonight, weather hazards expected: elevated thunderstorm risk with an associated level 1 of 5 tornado risk, level 2 of 5 damaging wind risk up to 60 miles per hour, level 1 of 5 large hail risk up to quarter size, elevated flooding risk. Discussion: thunderstorms with the potential to produce damaging winds and torrential rainfall are expected across the area through early afternoon. Additional scattered thunderstorms and locally heavy rain are possible late tonight, mainly south of Interstate 80. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Sunday, elevated flooding risk, limited thunderstorm risk with an associated level 1 of 5 severe thunderstorm risk. High, swim, risk Lake Michigan beaches. Monday, limited thunderstorm risk. Tuesday, limited excessive heat risk. Wednesday, elevated excessive heat risk. Thursday, limited thunderstorm risk, elevated excessive heat risk. Friday, limited thunderstorm risk. Discussion: thunderstorms with torrential rain and localized flash flooding may persist south of Interstate 80 on Sunday. Dangerous heat and humidity are possible the middle of next week. Spotter information statement: spotters may be needed through mid-afternoon. General storm motion of the day, moving toward the east-southeast at 40 miles per hour. At 1 p.m. at Valparaiso, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 76 degrees. The dew point was 74. And the relative humidity was 93%. The wind was south at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.93 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the area, at Lafayette Airport, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 75. Rain was falling with a temperature of 77 at Gary Airport, 76 at Lansing Airport, 76 at Chicago's Midway Airport, 75 at Chicago's O'Hare Airport, 76 at Kankakee Airport, and 72 at Rantoul. It was cloudy with a temperature of 76 at Joliet Airport and 80 at Benton Harbor. Here are some observations from around the Midwest. At Springfield, rain was falling with a temperature of 71. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 78 at Rockford and 79 at Madison, Wisconsin. It was cloudy with a temperature of 77 at Milwaukee and 76 at Moline. Once again, at the Valparaiso Airport, it was 76 with a thunderstorm. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, WNG689, broadcasting weather information for Hebron, Valparaiso, Crown Point, Morocco, Rensselaer, North Judson, and LaPorte, 24 hours a day, on a frequency of 162.45 MHz from our transmitter in Porter Township. This station will also broadcast severe weather events for Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Stark, and LaPorte counties in Indiana. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Romeoville, Illinois. Visit us on the web at weather.gov/Chicago. Here is your forecast for Valparaiso and surrounding communities. For today, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms late in the morning. Showers and thunderstorms likely early to mid-afternoon, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms late in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. For tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming northwest after midnight. Chance of precipitation 40%. For Sunday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. And for Sunday night, increasing clouds. A chance of showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. For Monday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. For Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. For Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. For Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 70s. For Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Heat index values up to 105. For Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Heat index values up to 105 early in the evening. For Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 90s. Heat index values up to 105. Thursday night, a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of precipitation 40%. And for Friday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s inland, but only in the lower 80s near the lake. Chance of precipitation 30%. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, WNG689, serving Porter Township, Valparaiso, Rensselaer, and Hebron. The current time is 1:23 p.m. Central Daylight